Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a super hot minute since I've made a video for you guys. A lot's been going on in my life, so I finally made some changes and I got a backdrop and I'm absolutely in love with it, and I feel like it just kind of complements everything and it screams me. It's pink, rose gold, glittery, shiny, everything that really just reflects my inner self. I swear that I could lay in glitter and rose gold colors for the rest of my life and I would be a-okay. So I got my hair done, really just been in a good mood these past couple of days that I missed you guys and I needed to make a video for you. So I thought today's video I would just do an eye tutorial on a night out look for me that I would do. I've already did my face, so I just really wanted to make this more about my eyes and talk to you guys about kind of what's been going on these past couple weeks, things that I've been up to, things I've been doing. So if you want to know, just keep watching. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've done a video, probably about 2 weeks. So I wanted this video to be a little bit different and I wanted to do a night out kind of look for the eyes. So I've already done all my face makeup and I'm so excited, guys. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got my hair done today. How good does this look? Shout out to my girl Laura, literally always killing it every single time. She is my idol, straight up. I love her. She always does so great on my hair and my hair feels so healthy. It actually feels longer than normal. I just think it looks so good. I love her. She does so good. It's almost icy, like straight up ice. I feel kind of like Elsa, like I've got Elsa hair. Alright, so this video is not about my hair, but I wanted to do a night out eye tutorial for you guys, so let's just get into it. So I think the first color that I'm gonna go in with is gonna be from my Morphe palette, and this is the Bronzed Mocha palette 25B. I got this for Christmas and I actually used to use it all the time, and then I've bought new palettes since then, so I always kind of like filter out my old palettes and just only use my new ones. I'm so weird. So I'm gonna go in with this white color right here and I'm just gonna deposit that all over my eye, give it a smooth canvas, if you will, so when I start applying all my other colors it'll blend out real nicely. I've really missed you guys. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video and man, things are just kind of on the up and up for me. I'm finally gonna get my car fixed. My AC's been out all summer and I literally never leave my house anymore because it is so unbearably hot here in Houston. It's miserable, number one. So I finally am gonna get my car fixed. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. I was gonna get it fixed last week, but my child got sick, so I had to put that off because I didn't want to go without a car, and I had to tell my friend, you know, hey, don't come pick me up in the morning. And luckily it only lasted a day, and then I was just nervous that she was gonna get sick again, so I was like, well, we'll just wait. So I'm finally gonna get that done, and then I filmed a video and I was so mad about it because nothing about it, I was mad because I didn't have a backdrop. So I had bought my fabric and I was mad because I didn't have a way to put it up, and today I finally got it and I'm so excited, y'all. It is so pretty. I love it. It's sequins and it's pink and gold, so I think it meshes well. What do y'all think? Yes? No? I kind of want to stock up on different fabrics so that way I can interchange them. So, thoughts, ideas? Alright, so now that I put that over my eye, I'm going to go in with my other Morphe palette. This is Nightmaster 15 in. It is so pretty. I'm going to go in with Goals. So pretty. So, yeah, I'm really digging this backdrop, guys. It's so pretty. It's so gorge. I was mad for a whole week because I didn't have it up. And finally, I told KODY, I was like, hey, I really need your help in getting this set up for me, so I'm able to assemble it and disassemble myself. He's like, okay. And I was like, can we go tonight? He's like, well, the weekend just works so much better for me. And I was like, oh, well, that sucks. So anyways, we went today to Lowe's and we did the things. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't get over it. And my hair is done. Got it did. My roots were so grown out. Just really in such a good place. I never thought I'd be ready for a Monday. I get to go drop my car off, go get some AC. Still hotter than hell in Houston. It's miserable. That looks good. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in through the center of my eye, and I'm going to use my Kylie palette. I'm going to use this shade right here, True's Mom. Y'all, sorry my nails are so ugly. I did not have time to go get them done. It's hurting my feelings. I'm going to go see my nail lady. I haven't seen her in, it's been like 3 weeks. I miss her. Sorry about my lips being so pink. I put on some lip gloss just because my lips felt dry and it was the first thing I could find, so they just look so pink. Not really my color, but whatever. So now I'm just going to darken up my outer corners from the Nightmaster palette. I'm going to use Talent. It's this really pretty shade. And it doesn't look that dark on camera, but it's definitely darker than Goals. It's more, I would almost say it's more of a true brown, and it's just so pretty. Just kind of want to darken this up. I think I'm going to use glitter on the center of my eyes. I haven't done that in a hot minute, and I feel like that's my go-to for night outs. And I just love it. I just love the way it makes my eyes pop. Definitely happy vibes with glitter. Can't go wrong. Clearly. Y'all, my cat just jumped up here. Luna, girl. You wanna be in my video? Luna, Luna. Yeah? I don't know if I've told y'all, but I'm a cat person. Straight up. I love dogs. Don't get me wrong. I love dogs. But I'm a cat person. So now in my center of my eye, I'm just going to go in with my Stila Glitter Eye. Put this right over the center. And this is in the shade Bronze Belle. And this one's my favorite just because it's kind of a gold brown color, but it's really pretty. And I just think it'll match the best. It just looks so good. I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner. And y'all, I'm actually gonna use regular lashes and not my magnet ones. My eyeliner ran out, so I'm waiting on it to get here, and literally the same day I ordered it, it was shipping. So hopefully it'll just be here on Monday. I can't wait. And this is my Stila Slay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. I love it. It's so thin. And it's so good. Y'all, I can't stand my nails right now. It's irritating me. Just gonna mascara. So I've had these eyelashes for maybe a month, and they're in the Kiss brand, Boudair. They're so pretty, so sexy. Looks good so far! Honestly, they just look so good. So lastly, I'm just gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna go in with Kylie. I'm gonna use the color Khlo. It's just one of my favorites. It's a nude pinky, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna go back over it with her gloss, and this is Sugar Plum. I just feel like these two colors complement each other so well. So this would be my night out look. It's simple but sexy, and it's very for a night out look, and I feel like my lipstick really complements my eyes, and these colors just make my eyes pop. So I am really digging this, and this is just something that I think would look good on everybody all across the board. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, a comment, and if you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see, send me a comment down below in the comment box, and I will make sure that I try to get to do a video on your suggestion, and I'll see you guys next time.